Malaysia is highly vulnerable to natural disasters such as floods, thunderstorms, earthquakes, tsunamis, and even landslides. Official agencies like Met Malaysia, JPS, NATMA issue warnings, although these alerts often suffer from delays and limited accessibility. Current platforms also may not be user-friendly, and in critical scenarios, even a few minutes delay can cost thousands of dollars.
Malaysia lacks a unified real-time system that sends alarm alerts and offer clear safety guidance to citizens. While there are people who are well prepared for natural disaster, there are many more who are not, and most of them do not have the knowledge on how to handle themselves if a natural disaster really happened to them.
To overcome this issue, we introduced the National Disaster Alert System or NDAS. NDAS is a mobile application designed to unify Malaysian natural disaster warning ecosystem. It gathers data from trusted sources such as Met Malaysia and JPS. They process the data into standardized alert format and deliver it instantly to users.
All users will have to create an account using their IC number before accessing the app. All personal data will be stored in encrypted database to ensure data integrity. In the main page, user can see a real-time overview of natural disaster happening around Malaysia. They can even filter by the type of disaster. This features to keep user to know about what happened in around our country. User can click on a location from a disaster map on their map icon. This page, user can get more detailed view of the disaster happening at the location. All information used are sourced from official news sources and other credible agencies.
In the event of a disaster, the app will display an urgent notification with the sound, regardless of the sound setting on the phone. There are two types of notification, one for occurring disasters that are currently happening, and another that is triggered when there is a high chance for disaster soon, like a predicted disaster. There are also regular notifications for weather events, such as a heavy storm or heavy rains.
All notifications are records and can be viewed again the notification page. This is for the user to keep track of the warnings the app has sent them. This page includes various clear and conscious instructions and informative video on natural disaster SOPs. Users can easily access this page if they are unsure on what to do during the natural disaster. Finally, this page is where the user can change their app preference such as color scheme and language. They can even customize their profile.
Our prototype uses an ESP8266 to handle and send the sensor data to the cloud. We are using a shock sensor to detect earthquakes, a flame sensor to detect fires, and a water sensor to detect floods. If a disaster is detected, the ESP8266 would update some values in the Firebase real-time database. Based on the values updated, a cloud function would send a payload to the Firebase cloud messaging service. From there, the Firebase SDK on the app would send a notification to the user. Let's see it in action. Once the notification is clicked, the user can immediately access the safety guide. Even if the app is open, the user will be alerted urgently. This also works the same for disaster predictions.
The Natural Disaster Alert System ultimately aims to provide a unified, easy-to-use solution to report natural disaster while remaining accessibility to everyone at any time. NDAS will create a safer and more prepared society. It will help prevent loss of life and property, increase public awareness, and boost the culture of readiness.
A smarter way to warn, a stronger way to respond,
and a safer future for all. NDAS.
Your safety?
Our priority.
Woo!